lovely people around the world. Today, you're welcome to GH Marine Industries TV. We are about to, introduce to you what we've done over the period of time. If you watch our previous videos, you realize that we began from the scratch. We made everyone understand that what we are looking here is a computer deck. Is a part that is going to be on top of the hull on a boat, and then it's a very complicated and sophisticated computer deck. I said it in the previous video that we will install two computer motherboards, one being a Raspberry Pi and then the other a computer board, a motherboard, where these two boards will be the central control system for this device wherever it finds itself in real time. I also began writing some codes, some scripts to upload onto the Raspberry Pi. I'm working on it right now, so that everywhere this device is, I can quickly send script or my code to rearrange or to reconfigure what is doing for me or doing for us. You are once again welcome. The last time, you guys remember very well that I told you I'm building the hull, the downward side. It has one single room down where say when you rescue someone and the person wants to have a room temperature or sort of want to relax a bit, there's this downmost part where it can take about 4 to 5 people, where you can rest there, you can have a coffee. There will be a tea maker, a coffee maker, or sort of basic things that can make you feel good. And then also I told you earlier on that this side, this first down deck, is purposely made for first aid kits, where you can have your maybe some painkiller, or maybe anything to calm people. It rescues down, So this light you are seeing here are the central lights on a computer deck that will give us a visibility view. There's going to be a drone. I'm going to put a power drone here. A power drone has some few computer control systems where it can also communicate. It can take off, go on shore, communicate with people, tell people do this, do that, So I'm going to build the power drone here. I began, the hardware and all that very soon to be done. By the time the hull and everything will be done, the drone will also be done, will be ready. And so in a few minutes, I will take you around this computer deck to show you the advancements I've done. And then after this, I will take everything off again. I will take everything off, and then do second coating with an oil paint. I'm going to do coating. Each and every part of this will be taken off. Yes, each and every part will be taken off. I will first of all, find a chemical that will protect my wood from insects and all that. And so that's the first part of it. And then I will do 1, 2, or probably 3 coatings on each and every piece of this Mastercraft you see in here. And then after that, I will rebuild again what you see here. I will start all over again. But whilst building, I will be doing the fiberglassing. When I lay the first one, when I bring the first floor, I'll be doing the fiberglassing whilst I move on till I get to this stage, it will be more solid than it is now. So like I said, in a few minutes I'll take you around so you see the inside where the first aid, where I say I'll put my first aid kits, and then I'll maybe probably some water and some few things that people that this vessel has rescued may need for survival. So you're welcome once again. I will take you around here on the topmost deck. I am going to I'm going to find a way to lift this stuff in a way. The light has a way of blinking. It's like the police light. It has so many variety of colors that can reflect on the surface of the water, so that it gives a proper visibility view as to wherever this vessel is. I'll find a nice way to hook up these lights at the top there. If you watch our previous video, you realize that we are going to put our main camera for this project is going to be here. This is where our main camera will be. It's going to give us a proper view in front. It's a 360 camera. It can rotate left or right, 360. You know, I have the camera there. I'm doing the programming in relation to the Raspberry Pi, because the Raspberry is going to be the one to control my camera for me in real time when I'm at home. Most of the times I'm not going to be in this vessel. This vessel is going to be on its own. So it's one of its kind. I didn't intend building just anything. I wanted to build something of something very unique. And so everything you see on this vessel can be controlled remotely and can also be programmed to be on its own. So I thought of combining everything I've learned over the years. Computer, I did engineering, I did computer science. I've done so many things that over the years. I did metals, I did welding, so many things I did. No, so many things. So I thought of bringing everything together so that I'll have a unique stuff, a masterpiece, you know, on any water body. This thing will save lives, trust me. So let me, without wasting much more time, let me take you around the computer deck. My next video is going to be on the fiberglass and all that, but I'm going to attach a bit of my hull, because I'm building the hull in my other workshop. I just did the ribs, the hull ribs and all that. I'm left to put them together. And so finally, when I put the ribs and everything together, this one is going to be on top. And then the captain of this deck will be somewhere here. This is where the captain will be. And then there will be 2-seater here. So here we're going to take 4, probably 3 or 4. Here 2, 3 or 4. And then I will be, or the captain can be in front here to have a proper visibility of the systems that has been made available to control this device if it's being controlled manually. Okay, so you're welcome to GH Marine Industry. And then I also thought I forgot one thing. I am doing some script writing to put a LED light here in this mirror. There's going to be another mirror here. There's another one there, and the other side down here. And all these mirrors are not just mirrors. They are there as windscreens. Behind them, I have this LED light that comes in written form. It depends the mission the device is embarking. If it's a life-saving mission, it's going to write it here, lifesaver or life-saving mission. If it's just for surveillance, if it's just doing surveillance on any water body, it is going to write it here that is for surveillance purpose. Whatever this vessel has been set to achieve, it is going to write it here. And then on all the windscreens, they are not just there for fun sake. Everything I put here is for a purpose. I have have something we call the radar. You know, it's going to be in the form of antenna for most of my devices here, for my GPS and all that. My radar is going to be here, or here, or here, either right behind the camera. I won't let it conflict with the camera zone, but either here or there. I'm going to put a radar somewhere here so that it is able to get a proper reception, a good reception. So my radar will be here. My central camera system is going to be here. It's going to mount up a bit. So it's going to see in front. It's a 360 camera, like I said earlier on. And so, yes. And, there are a few more systems that I will lay them around this top deck, because there's a part that is so unique to me. Our hands, or human hands, are not going to be around too much around this area. So I'm going to put so much systems here, like my radar, my camera, my lighting systems, and some few laser lights to give indication to wherever this vessel is heading towards. So you are once again welcome to GH Marine Industry. Papa D in your shots. Someone asked me in the other video, we don't know your name and we don't see your face. So I decided to show my face this time around. Papa D for you. There are so many projects I built, but I decided to bring this one on YouTube. I have vessels, and most of my vessels are watercraft. I love building watercraft. I love doing marine stuff, you know. I even have one submarine, a two-way submarine I'm building in my other workshop. I'm thinking of I'm still thinking if I should let the world know. If I'm done meditating about it, and I think you should know, I'll bring it up. Lovely people, so I want to take you around the computer deck so you see what we've got into before my next video comes out. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video so that when my new video comes out, you'll be the first, or you'll be among the first to watch my video. Trust me, the videos that are coming out from after this one, they are massive. I trust me, the fiberglass video is cool, it's fun. After the fiberglass video, I'm going to do an electronic work, a few electrical works from the hall all the way to the computer deck, and then a lot more coding, you know, computer coding and script writing, you know, because everything I'm building is solidly built based on remote control stuff. So GH Marine Industry, you're welcome. You're welcome. Let me take you around. Let me take you around the computer deck so you see what we've done so far. And then look at exactly what I explained earlier. Like I said, I'll take everything off. Yes, that is the back of it, where I said the captain will be standing. This is where the captain will be standing, and then seeing ahead of the craft. And so, like I said, I told you earlier on, my main camera is going to be here. It's a huge 360 camera. Is going to be here, and this is where I'm embedding my Raspberry Pi, and then my computer motherboard, which will take control of most of my remotely control system on this vessel. So let's move to the right side a bit. I'll do some few works here. This stuff we see, I'm going to do some filing, filing will be metal, right? I'll do some sanding so that I can get a straight edge, and then finally fixed all of them. And then so let's come down a bit and look at where I said the first aid will be. Yes, this is the side I'm looking at. I can put a first aid kit here, where any primary thing you need, you can have access to whilst you're on the water. So that's the back side of it. I will be doing the fiberglass and in no time from now. So you are welcome once again to GH Marine Industry TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I have a lot more to give to my lovely people out there, beautiful people. So we're coming to the end of today's video, but don't forget to subscribe, like I said earlier, because I'm about to release more fun, fantastic videos, beautiful videos where you love so much. When I'm done with this stuff, you won't recognize is this stuff, you know. Trust me. I didn't intend building just anything. I want to build a remote control, an autonomous, a remote and autonomous. You can control it manually. You can control it with remote with your phone, or a properly designed remote control board. That will be the transmitter, and then there will be a board to receive signals by the Raspberry Pi within the upper deck. So lovely people, once again, this is what we've got into, and you're welcome, GH Marine Industry TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, because you are yet to see the biggest. Thank you. Bye.